Hey guys, what are you doing?
We're on a desert island and we're going to starve if we don't find enough of these for supper tonight, okay?
Oysters, if we don't find enough oysters.
No, they're mussels. Oysters are in...
No, mussels, what else?
Oysters are in the ocean. Mussels are in dirty water.
What?
So is this considered the dirty water?
I found another one, but it's deep.
Let's see what you got.
Nope.
Whoa, good job.
Come on.
Can you catch it? Can you find it?
Let's see if he finds it.
How many does that make? We
Got
have
it.
6, so we have one for each person.
Well, I think 7.
7.
7? Where's all the oysters?
I think if you find like 15,
I'll put it near the oyster part. I want to see 100. Where is
you'll be good for supper.
Yeah, you found the nut. I found the clam.
Let's go check out the stock. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Are you gonna try one of those?
No.
Why not?
Well, what?
What do you mean, why would you? It's good.
7 oysters.
7?
Yes. I want to see them.
Let me see.
Let's crack them open.
Not yet. Not yet. It's not time.
Okay.
All right. Here's our stock of oysters or mussels. And here's the guy, the little guy who started finding them. He's awesome. This river is beautiful. All right, guys, we're gonna let you go and we're gonna find some other stuff for dinner tonight. Bye. See you guys later.